Hello, how to solve this is 17 power t equals negative 13. Solving for the value of t that satisfies this equation. So I have 17 power t equals, this is negative 13. I can have negative 1 times 13. It's the same thing as negative 13. Now, let's consider this identity. If you have e power I times pi and we have plus 1, this equals 0, meaning e power I times pi equals negative 1. Applying this identity here for negative 1, replacing it here with negative 1, I have 17 power t equals, this is negative 1. I have e power I times pi times 13. So the next thing is to apply natural log. I have natural log of 17 power t equals natural log of e power I times pi times 13. Now, let's consider this identity. If you have natural log of a to the power of p, this equals p times natural log of a. So that means the t here will come behind the natural log as t times natural log of 17 equals natural log of e power I times pi times 13. And also, if you have natural log of x times y, this equals natural log of x plus natural log of y. So that means t times natural log of 17 equals natural log of e power I times pi plus natural log of 13. Now, the next thing we are going to do is to go back to this same identity. If you have natural log of a power p, this is p times natural log of a. We apply that here. So you have t times natural log of 17 equals I times pi natural log of e plus natural log of 13. So natural log of e cancel out, that is 1. We have t times natural log of 17 equals I times pi times 1 plus natural log of 13. So from here we have t times natural log of 17 equals I times pi plus natural log of 13. Now solving for t, we divide this by natural log of 17. And we divide this by natural log of 17. This eliminates this. So what I'm going to have will be t equals I times pi plus natural log of 13 divided by natural log of 17. From here, I have t equals I times pi divided by natural log of 17 plus natural log of 13 divided by natural log of 17. Now, let's consider this identity. If you have natural log of a divided by natural log of b, this equals natural log of a to the base of b. So from here, we have t equals I times pi divided by natural log of 17 plus natural log of 13 to the base of 17. So this is our answer. Now let's consider this other method of solving this exponential problem. We have 17 power t equals negative 13. What I'm going to do is I have 17 power t equals, this is 13 times negative 1. And I consider this, if you have square root of negative 1, this equals I. If you take the squares, let's cancel this. You have -1 equals I power 2. So this is 17 power t equals 13 times I power 2. So we apply natural log. I have natural log of 17 power t equals natural log of 13 times I power 2. Now, if you have natural log of a times b, this equals natural log of a plus natural log of b. So, the t here will come behind this natural log, but let's apply this identity first. We have natural log of 17 power t equals natural log of 13 plus natural log of I power 2. Now, if you have natural log of a power p, this equals p times natural log of a. So, we can have t times natural log of 17 equals natural log of 13 plus 2 times natural log of I. Now, what we can do is we need to solve for t. So what do? I divide this by natural log of 17. I divide this by natural log of 17. Natural log of 17 eliminate natural log of 17. So we have t equals natural log of 13 plus 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 17. So from here, I have t equals natural log of 13 divided by natural log of 17 plus 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 17. Now, remember this identity. If you have natural log of a divided by natural log of b, is equals natural log of a to the base of b. So from here, I have t equals natural log of 13 to the base of 17 plus 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 17. So we leave it this way. Our answer is this. Now I'm comparing this to what we have here. This is natural log of 13 to the base of 17 plus 2 times natural log of I divided by natural log of 17. This I times pi divided by natural log of 17 plus natural log of 13 to the base of 17. The only difference here is, here we have 2 times natural log of I, which is the same thing as I times pi. So if you observe, here is 2 times natural log of I, here is I times pi. So they both are the same. So guys, any of the solutions here is obviously very correct. This is correct. And this also is correct. So any of the solutions here is obviously very correct. And that is it, guys. That is it. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video to your friends. I will really appreciate that. So guys, here is it. Thank you and goodbye. See you again in our next video.